Okay, so I'm going to show how to factor out a trinomial or a quadratic function. So you're going to get something that's ax bx plus c. Basically, you're going to factor these out to make it look like this equal to 0, where you have x minus or plus or minus some number, or x plus and minus some other number, equal to 0. We're going to use the diamond method. That a times c is going to, we have our a, we have our c. On top of here, we're going to have a times c, and down here, we're going to have our b. We're going to look for two numbers, h and k, plus or minus. It could be either or. And the rule is that h times k has got to equal a times c, and that h plus k equals b. So two of these numbers, okay, times each other is going to equal a times c, and these two same numbers, if they're summed up, they're going to equal b. So let's give this a shot with a practice problem. We're going to have x squared plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. We're going to have to factor this. Okay, so let's have our diamond here. We'll have our a times c, which is negative 7. And then we have our b, which is 6. Now let's find h and k. By observation, since these two numbers are going to be negatives, one of them is going to have to be negative, and one of them is going to have to be positive. So a negative times a positive is going to be a negative a times c. Also, because we have a positive 6, this one is going to have to be stronger than this one. So the solution for this is basically 7 and negative 1. Now you could make yourself a big old table, okay, of h and k, and just try it out. You could try, like, maybe just keep trying and keep trying and keep trying until one of them works. You're going to do this on the side until you find it. We're rewriting our equation as ax squared plus hx plus kx plus c. In this same format, we're going to rewrite this as x squared plus 7x minus x minus 7. Okay, with this new form, we can start factoring. We can see a factor from about here, okay, to here. We could factor out x plus 7, and we could factor out a negative 1, x plus 7, from here to here, from here to here. Okay, so finish it up. Factor out the x plus 7, and you have an x minus 1 equal to 0. Because you put it in this form, you can solve for x now. And for this equation to turn into 0, x would have to equal negative 7, and also x would have to equal 1. If those are plugged in into this equation, it'll equal to 0. And because we found our x's, we've solved for x using the diamond method. Alright guys, I hope this helps. You could do this with bigger ones where a has a multiple, and it will work. If you need more examples, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.